Yo guys, welcome back di channel Fatah Naro. Ada race 2 Red Bull Rookies Cup Austria 2025 pada 17 Agustus. Dan ini starting grid-nya. Catatan penting race 2 ini adalah Uriarte kembali juara setelah last lap overtake atas Veda. Veda sempat memimpin dari pole, turun ke P4-5 lalu comeback ke P1, tapi kehilangan kemenangan di 2 tikungan terakhir. Marco Morelli sangat konsisten, finish P3 dan bikin balapan makin serem. Hakim Dennis terkena long lap penalty sehingga finish ke-13. Kiandra Ramadipa finish P12 cukup solid meski tidak terlibat dalam pertarungan papan atas. Kita bakal breakdown sekilas race ini sampai gimana perjuangan rider Asian kayak Veda, Kiandra sama Hakim Dennis. So stay tuned. Balapan dimulai dengan Veda Ega Pratama start dari pole. Dari lampu hijau, Veda langsung ngegas keras dan ambil posisi terdepan. Christian Daniel Junior sempat nyodok ke P2, tapi Brian Uriarte sama Marco Morelli serta Christian Daniel Crew juga nggak mau kalah. Dari awal udah kelihatan ini bakal jadi fight sengit 4 negara, Indonesia, Spanyol, Argentina, dan Amerika.
But you can't do it twice, 3 times, etc. They come towards turn 1. It's going to be leading the boat. Very lucky inside of second.
Masuk ke lap-lap tengah, mulai muncul nama Hakim Dennis. Rider Malaysia ini sempat bikin pressure besar banget ke Veda. Sampai-sampai ada momen battle wheel to wheel. Tapi sayangnya Hakim kena long lap penalty gara-gara melanggar track limit. Jadi kesempatan dia buat podium pun buyar. Itu turning point banget sih buat jalannya race. Ramadipa berada di area P10. Di sana ada rider jagoan Jepang Zen Mitami, ada Thompson Australia, Joel Pons dari Spanyol, ada juga pembalap tuan rumah Austria, Leo Rammerstorfer. Cukup rapat juga diskon leading ini. Battle Uriarte push terus, bener-bener kayak nempel pakai lem. Morelli di P3 juga nunggu momen. Dan juga Daniel Kerju yang siap mengancam.
He kicked off the year with a 5th and a 4th place finish. He got his first podium.
We want to see him for the podium, and Brian desperately trying to keep his KTM off the green stuff there as he chases Morelli away from the first.
Setidaknya ada 5 rider super ketat. Veda, Uriarte, Morelli, Daniel Junior, dan Gonzalez.
Christian Daniel pushing Marco Morelli rather wide there in towards the penultimate turn. And there we
Di sisi lain, Kiandra Ramadipa yang start dari belakang pelan-pelan naik ke P10. Lumayan konsisten dan gak bikin kesalahan fatal.
moving up the inside. Danish side by side with Morelli in the background too. Pushing Peter.
So Uriarte leads from
rider.
Gonzalez. I wonder now if Gonzalez has got look at this stuff. The two Spanish can make a
hard on the brakes.
Chaos mulai terjadi. Luca Agostinelli yang sempat kena penalti malah crash. Kerman Tines juga jatuh di T2, out dari race. Bahkan ada insiden tabrakan antara Mononyane sama Tessini.
first.
Green. Oh, the whole using every bit of road, but staying away. And the number 11, David Gonzalez, a 17-year-old Spaniard. He has the lead now. Can Brian Uriarte...
Di belakang pertarungan terlalu heboh di awal, tapi step by step posisi makin naik.
Gonzalez going way wide though. A big bubble for the number 11, and he's going to mess up the drive for other riders. They have to cut back across it, and then we're going to have to dish. He's going side by side. We've got
Veda sempat turun ke P4 di lap 13 setelah disalip Morelli dan Gonzalez. Nah, di situ kelihatan banget karakter Red Bull Ring. Satu kesalahan kecil aja bisa bikin lo turun 2-3 posisi langsung.
And the fifth rider of the championship, Beñat Fernandez, into fourth place in the race just behind him. All the way from near enough the back royalty. That's a big shame for the Vietnamese.
Veda segera merespon dan
What a tick up in form he's had since that pole in that front row start and podium back in Germany. Really impressive. One of the youngest riders on the Rookies Cup grid, isn't he? Is Hakim Danish went very wide there. That could have been.
Danish, you'll see, he should come up on his notice board on his handlebars there to tell him, and of course there's a board hung out at the start of the finish. Yes,
straight away. Position. He's got it to do all again, Peter. I can't believe it, Hakim. Oh, what a shame. And as it stands,
Anyway, right, so it's Uriarte. There's the 70 of Christian Daniel Jr. back there in 6th place. Just been passed by Gonzalez. Beñat Fernandez in 4th place on the number 7. Yeah, and Hakim Danish up into 15th as they cross the line that time, so he has 1 point at the moment. 1 point.
very nearly nil point.
Yeah.
Unfortunately for Hakim, you can't take the mick with the track limits because it will ruin your race potentially, or in this case, it could potentially ruin your championship.
Side by side, then briefly they are, but Brian is so quick into that turn.
And he had such a great drive through there that he's almost catching up to both Veda and Brian out front. A 1:44, the first one that we've seen of the race so far then, and it is Gonzalez on a mission. Here is Hakim Danish. 14th place at the moment. He is closing steadily on the riders in front.
Veda masih memimpin dan cukup bisa menutup celah dan kecepatan. Uriarte sabar, kayak ular, menjaga jarak sempit di belakang kayak nunggu tikungan terakhir. Morelli masih di P3, siap ambil kesempatan. Masuk sektor terakhir, Uriarte push all out, cari inside line, dan dia berhasil menggeser Veda. Veda sempat melebar sedikit pada momen ini. Di tikungan penutup, dia overtake Veda dengan sangat bersih. Tuh, Veda Ega Pratama Indonesia P2. Start dari pole, controlling race di awal, sempat turun ke P4 tapi comeback lagi dengan mental juara. Sayangnya kehilangan kemenangan di 2 tikungan terakhir. Analisis, Veda udah nunjukin kalau dia itu lumayan bagus karena field Rookies Cup tuh gila banget kompetitifnya. Analisis buat rookie ini valuable banget. 3. Hakim Danish Malaysia P13. Sempat jadi ancaman buat Veda, tapi long lap penalti bener-bener ngerusak flow balapannya. 4. Katie Sak Singhapong Thailand P15. Finish di belakang tapi at least bawa pulang poin. Analisis, belum kelihatan fight di front group, tapi at least udah bisa complete race dengan stabil. Masih banyak yang bisa dikembangin.
And he's making full use of it. Yeah, and Marco Morelli's down in 6th place in the cup chase. He's not in the battle. It's down to Veda and Brian Uriarte.
Jadi itu dia recap full race. Naik posisi kedua, tinggal 21 poin selisihnya digeser Veda. Thanks for watching. Jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe. See you in the next race recap.
Still in third position. Hanging it fast, hanging it fast, screaming. Give me more grip. Here we go. Here we go.
Patama's now leads. Patama's the runner over Brian Uriarte. But you know that Marco Morelli's going to have something to say about that on the last 2 hours. Brian Uriarte took the lead. He made it double here at Spielberg. Brian Uriarte hangs on to the top. And Marco Morelli.
Brilliant! What a race! What a race! A race that was!
So Karpushin gets a long lap penalty on the last lap. Of course, he can't serve that, but that means to say he's going to have a time penalty. So I don't think he's going to end up in 5th place.
Could well put him back into 12th spot potentially, or even behind it. So look at that though. What a lead Brian Uriarte has going into the final round. 21 points the gap.